Hello guys, welcome to my class. So let us quickly see the nomenclature of this very particular salt. We want to give this salt an IUPAC name. First of all, of course, there are rules that should be obeyed in order to name this compound. And one thing we should have at the back of our mind is this compound is a neutral compound. This compound is a neutral compound. Because of that reason, the sum of oxidation number of all the elements in this compound will be equal to 0. This is the first rule. And the second rule is for you to determine the oxidation number of the central element. Do not forget, we will always calculate or find the oxidation number of the central element, except otherwise. The element here is carbon. But let us consider this particular molecule of water attached to this very particular compound. Let us do little thing. When you are given this kind of compound and you have molecules of water or a hydrated compound is a compound that contains molecules of water. These molecules of water will always give us 0. For example, 10 is multiplying this. Oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. +1 times the radicals, we are having +2 or 2. Oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So now, if we open the bracket, look at what we have. 2 minus 2 will give us 0. And 10 times 0 will give us 0. So that is to say that everything about this hydrated or these molecules of water is giving us 0. Okay, so you see, you have handled everything about here so that this will not be a problem to you. So if such is the case, it is now easy to determine the oxidation number of carbon. So here we have potassium has oxidation number of +1. So we have 2 times its oxidation number plus, we don't know that of carbon, but we know that of oxygen, which is -2 multiplied by 3, the radicals of oxygen, or the number of atoms of oxygen, which is -2 times 3, will give us equal to 0, because of course here is 0, we don't need it. So now we have 2. So which means that making our carbon the subject of the formula, we are going to, okay, so this will give us +4. The IUPAC name of this compound